Want a backstage pass to 6 iron monsters that traveled from all over Europe just to star in Wolsztyn's steam parade? Buckle up! Built in 1949 right here in Wolsztyn, the PT-4765 is Poland's only operational express passenger locomotive. Weighing 182 tons with tender and packing 2,000 HP, it once hauled royal trains at up to 110 km/h. Today, it's the pride of the parade, its polished boiler shining like a silver bullet under the sun. The little TK-05353 is a 1953 shunting workhorse, only 44 tons, 400 HP, but it puffs more character per pound than any other Polish engine. From Belgium comes Tubize 2069, built in 1926 for a steel mill. This 40-ton beauty tops out at 45 km/h, but its delicate red and black livery makes it look like it's straight out of a 1930s Art Deco poster. Energy 507 rolled off the line in 1946, hauling ore through Luxembourg's industrial heart. It tips the scales at 42 tons. Germany's 4111449, built in 1939 in Elbląg, can cruise at nearly 100 km/h and weighs 145 tons with tender. Impressive for its era. And straight from Czech Railways is the Iron Giant 555-0153. A 1943 wartime build at 146 tons, known for its raw pulling power. Which engine is your favorite so far? Smash that like button, subscribe for more, and stay tuned for episode 3, where we explore Wolsztyn's legendary roundhouse up close.